friends, thank you and welcome to my channel, The Raspberry Rabbits. I'm glad you're here with me today. In some of my past videos, I've showed you how to make this rose right here, which is one of my favorite stitches. But today I want to show you how to make that same rose, but adding these little leaves that are behind it here. Okay, so come on over to my hoop and I'll show you what we have. All right, I am using one strand of Valdani size 12 pearl cotton and a size 7 embroidery hoop. And I need to move my thimble, there we go. Got my little stick-on thimble. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is work on the leaves. And that consists of making lazy daisy stitches first, okay? So we're gonna come up in the center. We're going to use our thumb, keep this out of the way, and we're going to go back down the hole close to it, not exactly in it, and we're coming up a little bit past that line right there, okay? And then we're going to wrap our needle around there, our thread around the needle. Makes that nice little loop which looks like a leaf. And then we secure it by going over the top. All right, I'm going to do all 5 of these. Okay, so here's the next one. And then we come back to the center. We're making these leaves using a lazy daisy stitch. Use our thumb to keep the thread out of the way. Go back down in and come up right past the edge of that line. It's easy to stitch on the line, isn't it? Wrap your thread around the needle. Pull it through. And then you'll make a loop, go right over the top to secure that loop. If you don't secure the loop, it'll just pop back through the fabric, okay? Again, working our way around. Now we're gonna come up here, come up in the center. Oops, got a knot on the back, hold on. Knot, this is how you get rid of knots. You just pull through with the needle. Undone, okay? It's always good to see how to do that because it happens. All right. Keeping our thread out of the way with our thumb. Coming back through. Wrapping the thread around your needle. Push it through. Secure the loop. Right over the top. 3 done, 2 to go. Coming back up. Holding it out of the way. Down. Past it right there. Wrap the thread, push it through. It's easy, isn't it? Simple stitches. I like to use simple stitches. Why make life complicated? Doesn't have to be so hard. You can have beautiful results with something so simple. Okay? This time I'm just getting it out of the way that direction just because of where the camera is and where my hand is. Okay? And this time the thread's right there. Pushing it through. Okay, now I'm closing that over. All right, so we have all 5 leaves done. Now what I'll do is I will just secure my thread on the back. I just come through 1, 2 times like that. Trim it off close, okay? All right, so now we want to start with the rose. We're going to show you how to do the rose, and then in the center of this rose is a little French knot, okay? This is really easy. Again, 1 strand of Valdani size 12 pearl cotton is what we're using. And we're going to come up from the back, and we're kind of like in between the leaves right there, okay? This is a spider web stitch. And all we're doing is weaving this pink thread over and under the green thread. So we're going to start here. We're going to go over this one. Going to use the needle, and we're going to go under that one. Pull it through. All right. And again, now we're going to go over this one, and we're going to go under this one with our needle. Pull it through. And then we're going to go over, and we're going to go under. And then we're going to go over, under. And then we're going to go over here, under here. So I kind of talk to myself when I'm doing it so I remember where I'm at, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. It's just how I am. Keeps me straight, talking to myself. That way, I know I'm listening. All right, over, under. And I just keep turning my hoop all the way around as we go along. Okay, so you're gonna keep doing that until you get out pretty far so there's just a little bit left. Okay, and that's what it looks like, over, under, all the way around. And then you'll just have a little bit of tip of the green left. And then all you'll do to finish it off, let's just come up here for a minute. Once you've done that, you've gone over, under, all the way around there. And you've come out far enough where you like the size of your rose. The only last finishing touch I did is I came up through the center and I made a French knot. 1, 2, 3, back down in the center, and pull it through. And there you go. There's your little rose. Okay? Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.